your love is like a wind that blows. I can't give up and I can't let go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's a long awaited Slimming World update. Obviously I haven't been Slimming World for 3 weeks. Yes, I had to not rejoin. I think it's $14.95 because I've not been for 3 weeks. So obviously just before Christmas I couldn't attend, and then Christmas Eve obviously I finished work early, so I was nowhere near my club. And then obviously New Year's Eve I didn't attend either, so I've kind of been off plan over Christmas, and I'm sure many people have, so we're all in the same boat, I would have thought, apart from my sister who's doing really well. She lost weight over Christmas. Well done. Anyway, yeah, so I went to class tonight and I have put on 2 pounds, which I think is absolutely brilliant seeing as it's Christmas, because I've had a McDonald's, I've had chocolate, I've had lots of things, lots of those naughty coffees, which are 3.5 cents. So I'm quite pleased with the £2 put on, to be honest. That's not bad at all. So my current weight at the moment is 11 stone 9.5. So I am back on plan. So today, and yesterday I've been pretty good as well. So today as well, I made food. So yesterday we had leftover chili. Completely sin free. I did have a fibre 1 bar and a packet of square crisps, but I didn't go over my sin value. And today I've been really good as well. We just had chicken and rice and veg for lunch. Had the same for tea because I made extra, and I had a little bit of cheese on it, which was part of my healthy option A. A couple of baby bells and a load of fruit. So not really had anything naughty today. I've had no fibre 1 bars, and actually have I had any sins today? I don't think I have, you know, which means I'm entitled to some sins. That means I could have a Freddo. So I might treat myself in a little while. I'm still full from dinner. So yeah, doing really well. Back in that mental zone, which is where we need to be really when it comes to Slimming World. And obviously it's a new year and everything. So if you've seen my goals video, which has already gone up, and I'll leave a link above, then you'll know one of my goals is to get back to my 10 stone 10. Actually I have posted a picture of what I used to look like back in the day, not that long ago actually. I think it's about 6-7 years ago. I can pop it here as well for all you Slimming Worlders. So yeah, that's where I want to be basically. So I did my first workout last night as well with the Nike training app. I do mention this in my goals video. But yeah, that was really good. Did my stretching for my splits last night. But I tell you what, I'm completely aching today, and I'm completely at the beginner level. I'm at the beginner level on both apps. And I literally was only like 35 minutes long, the whole thing, maybe 40 minutes. I actually enjoyed it, so it went quite quickly. But honestly, my thighs are hurting. I'm struggling to walk up the stairs. My arms are hurting. My chest feels like it's hurting. And I don't even know what I did to do that. Oh, I know what it would have been. It was the push-ups. You had to do, like, you know, the girly kind of push-ups. It was those, the sort of beginner push-ups. So yeah, I think that's probably what hurt my chest a little bit. But I can feel a little bit of tenderness there. My arms feel like they're hurting. My butt feels like it's hurting. That must be a good thing. So yeah, I'm hoping to get into a habit, a good habit that is. So good eating habit, good exercise habit, and get those lovely curves back. I'm going to try and do the daily sort of login from tomorrow. Obviously you'll see it next week, but obviously I'll do the daily thing so that you can keep up to date with what I'm eating and everything like I used to do before. So that'll be coming next week. I know this is kind of like all budged into one kind of message. But yeah, so anyway, that's everything for the video. It's a bit of a short and sweet one, to be honest, but that's it for the video. So if you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!